So we're gonna take the ferry to Casillas. Let's see if this works. See? We're at Casillas. Casillas. One of those two, you know what I mean. So cool. I'm just hungry. Rose said I just eat 6 times a day. Might be right. Dude. Oh, let me wait. Listen to my man and keep walking. Holy moly, lobster. This is my husband and my child. Oh, jeez. We're at the train station. Where are we?
At train station.
In Portugal.
We go by the beach, and after that we go home, but we miss our house.
We're going to our house?
Yeah.
No, we're going to the Tower of Belem.
Yeah, but now we go by the beach.
Belem Tower.
But now we go by the beach.
We're gonna go to the beach after. After the Belem Tower, we're gonna go to the beach. Where's your father?
Gone.
I found him.
Yay.
So we're at a train station and the train is coming here.
Now can we touch it?
You want to touch the water? We have to ask the security guard if you can touch the water. You want to touch the water? Yeah? And then go down on your knees like this. You touch it. So we're at the Tower of Belem. Okay, babe. Come, Chucky. the boy chequea a Raúl. Okay. Look at that. Yeah, come closer, boy. So we were just at Belem Tower and we're going to something with fathers. Yeah, it's in Portuguese, but I don't know. I didn't check the translation. People don't allow you to take a picture on the bridge. Hell, look at that line. Look at that bridge, empty as hell. And yeah, if you want a picture there, I think you have to pay. You know, say. So I learned a couple of words. Obrigada is thank you. Obrigado, obrigada. Now is no. Bem-vindo, bem-vindo, I think is welcome. What else did I learn? I know I learned more than this, man. I don't know. I can get back to you guys after this broadcast. Oh, look at those nice green trees, boy. They look so real. I mean, they are real. They look nice. We're here at the Padres dos descubrimientos. Father of discovery, or something like that. Padres do descubrimiento. I think I nailed it. And Punto de 25 April. Ponte 25 abril bridge. Like, damn, what were they thinking when they made that name? Maybe it was made on the 25th of April. Yeah, the last one. We're in. Oh yeah. So we're at Campo do Orique, something like that. Tram 28. You know, the trams from the 1930s. We're driving on the Tram 28, the most stressful tram ride I've ever been on. The most stressful tram ride I've ever been on, because there's not much space for people. You have tourists and people that live there. We almost always hit someone. I don't know what's going on, and sometimes it sounds like it just turned off, like it's not working. I don't know. I have no idea, and it's full, like you can see. It's scary. My child doesn't like it. You cute now. You know you cute, right? You know you cute? Yeah? You cute. Who's your father? What's your father name?
I
You don't know? Damn. That's rough.
Spider-Man.
That's your father name? What's your father name?
Spider-Man.
No. Otherwise you would be Spider Kaylee. Yes. Going up, super para arriba. That's Spider-Man there, guys. Probably already seeing a black thing, black dot.
That's my special power. Visibility.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man.